Today I am going to teach you how to write a program to print your name and age. So for this we will write the requirements. You need to print your name and you need to print your age. Okay, you need to print your name and age. Your name is a word with a space, so it cannot be a character, so it's a text, so we will use the data type string for that. And your age, it should be a whole number. Your age cannot be a fractional part, so we will take it as a int. So these are the requirements. Now I'm going to write a program. For every program we will start with public class, and I will give my class name as ABC together. Okay, and then you will open a curly braces, and then you will start a method public void main, and you will open and close a parenthesis, and then you will open a curly braces again, and you have to declare the variables first. Before using it in for printing or anything, you have to declare a variable. See, this is my data type. So what I am going to do is, I will declare the variable by string. I have to print the name. So name is equal to, my name is Renu. Okay, since it is a string value, it should come in a double quotes. So since it is a string value, it should come in double quotes, semicolon. Every statement should end with a semicolon. Next, I need another variable int age. It's a number, you don't need to put a double quotes. It's a number, you don't need to put a double quotes. So 25. So this is a variable declaration. I have declared two variables. My first variable is name, which is of type string, and its value is Renu. And my second variable is age, and it is of type int, and its value is 25. Now I am going to print the value. For that printing purposes, we use system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. You will open a parenthesis, and you will open a double quote. And you will write my name. You can write anything inside the double quotes, it's up to you. I am going to write my name is, and I will close the double quotes because I want to print my name is as it is. To print anything as it is, you have to put it in the double quotes. To print anything as it is, you have to put it in the double quotes inside system.out.println, not anywhere. If you want to print anything as it is, you have to put it in the double quotes. Now I want to print this is used for concatenation. That is, combine this with, I want to print my variable name. I want to print the value of the variable name. So I will put name here, and I will close the parenthesis, and I will this. Why I put this in double quotes and why I have not put this in double quotes? Because this thing I have to print as it is. My name is, I have to print as it is, but name is a variable. Its value I have to print. So I should not put this inside the double quotes. The variable's value, if you want to print a variable's value, you should put it outside the double quotes. You should not put inside the double quotes. If you put this inside the double quotes, example, if you put my name is name. Suppose if you put like this, so in your output it will print my name is name. It will not print your name, it just print that name. So instead, to avoid this, if you want to print the variable's value, it should come outside the double quotes. That is what I have did. Next, I have to print the age. For that, system dot out dot println. I have to print my ages. Again plus is used for combining two things, age. Okay, my age is age. Next we have to close the method, so I am closing the method. Next we have to close the class, I am closing the class. This is how to write a program. And for every program you have to write a variable description. For every program you don't need to write the output, you have to write a variable description. How will you write variable description? It's a box with three parts. First one is variable, and second one is data type, and third one is description. Variable, data type and description. For every program you have to write variable description. There are marks for the variable description. First variable is, what is my first variable? Name. What is my first variable? Name. It is of type string to store name. You can write anything for description. It is not important. You can write anything. But for variable and data type, it should be the same whatever you have written in the program. Its name is my variable and it's string, so it should be same, otherwise marks will be cut. Next variable is age. So age. So if you are writing this in capital, you should mention that in the capital here. Since I have written in small letter, I have mentioned it in small letter. Next age, and it is of type int. So you should write int. You should not write integer. It is wrong. You should write int to store age. So this is a program and the variable description. You will follow the same thing for your exam also, and output is not required. Still I will write the output. Here. Your output will come as, my name is, what is your name? Renu. Double quotes will not come. And my age is 25. So your output will be, my name is Renu and my age is 25. This is the output for this program. Thank you.